Alright, so I'm at 963 Highland Avenue in Dunedin. I am 35 feet into the line. I actually just ran all the way to where the city tap is. I'll go back there. This is city tap. All this looks good. So I'm pulling the camera back up towards the house now. We just went through a combo. We're coming up towards the house. This is clay pipe. So you can see it right there at that joint. There's roots growing in at that section. There's a lot of roots right there. And now we're underwater. We just made another turn. Minimal roots there. A lot of roots at that section. A lot of roots at that section. So basically every section of the clay pipe, there's roots growing in. That's really bad right there.
Yeah, that's horrible. So clay pipes?
Yeah, clay pipe.
Is that old? I mean, I'm just guessing.
Yeah, there's roots there.
Yeah. Wow.
And then this is our transition from PVC. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out the transition where this is from PVC to clay. And I'm going to mark the sewer out. It looks like that all that clay pipe is going to have to be removed and replaced since there's roots at every joint. Alright, so I've got the line mapped out. This is where the clay starts and the bad section ends. This is up near the fence. All this pipe here is underneath the driveway. So that section, all of these clay sections of pipe are under the driveway. That's a 45. It looks like a 45. I don't think it's a combo. Can't see the left side of it. But every section has roots growing in. I've got all this marked out with paint on the driveway. So you can see all the roots at every section. So basically the pipe needs to be replaced from, I would probably go from this combo here. You can see the roots growing back. Right where the clay ends and the PVC starts. So from the PVC all the way to the last section, which again is all the way up near the white fence on the right side of the driveway. Everything's marked with paint. This is pretty hard compacted, so I can't get flags in here. So I would send Gus out sooner than later. I'll take a couple pictures too of how it's routed and try to get a flag in near the trees so you know where to go from point A to point B. This is John with I Find Leaks. Thanks for watching.